I know we need the rain, but this is fairly miserable work. Oh well. All right, well, we're getting ready to do a move. You can see, just look at the line where they've been. They've eaten this down more than I'd like. And this is always a tricky time, this transition from winter to spring, because the grass starts poking forward. But I don't necessarily like when I see sheep nibbling on grass that's like an inch long. That's where the parasites live, and I don't need them to put any more exposure on themselves than they have to. So we're going to be moving them, you know, up on this kind of hill. We're going to get some nasty rain, so we're going right around here so they can get up on some drier ground, get some cover, and start progressing forward. By the way, look at this lazy old girl. This is one of my old ones. She just does not have a care in the world. Yeah. All right, so let's get moving, and this should be relatively straightforward. Well, actually that works now. Come on, lazy bones. Go. Good job. Come on, buddy. Good job. All right, come on, big boy. Close it up. Hey Bob, what do you think? I think Sheppy got a little stuck on the creek. They have some water, and then I'm going to bring a water tank up to them, probably right up there. But there's a little bit of grass in here, so we can start grazing and feeding less hay. And then I'm going to try to hold them here for another week, so this will get eaten down more than I'd like. But then after that, we're up into the good field for lambing and rotation, back on full rotation. So we're getting there. We're heading there. I got to bring the dog feeder over, the mineral, and all that jazz. Now, here. There you go, girl. Try it now. Now you good. We're gonna keep her on the drag for about another week, and then we'll see if we can trust her a bit. The sheep always like the grass up on this hill, but they'll get into all of this. But you can see She is not thrilled, but we're going to keep her separated from her mother for almost a half farm rotation. It's necessary, I think. Anyhow, we'll just walk in here and make sure I didn't leave something stupid where they can poke through. They're going to be awfully tempted by that grass on the other side of that fence, but I got a 2-wire interior fence there, and that should hold them. I love watching their little mouths nibble. I got this post for this spot right here. There we go. Even Shep's out there eating grass. That's how you know she's a good sheepdog. She even eats a little bit of grass. Anyway, these boy, he's having a good time there, scratching and itching in the. We better get it fence turned back on so everyone can know what it is. What a beautiful day. Look at that. That field out there is really greening up like crazy. Anyway, rule of thumb, if you're relatively new to moving sheep, take the time to set up your moves properly, and they go in like nothing and you wonder what the fuss is. If you try to do it piecemeal, you'll spend an hour chasing sheep down. Well, it's a beautiful afternoon here, kind of a calm before a storm. We're gonna get kind of rained on pretty hard for the next couple of days, but it's amazing. They've already kind of gone through and picked out a lot of this grass, which just goes to show you how little grass there is. There's some, but not enough. But look where they're going to. Whew. That's gonna be the good stuff. But I actually thought I actually stopped to take this video because this is one of my favorite things in spring. You see these little wispies? The animals are starting to rub themselves off and get rid of their winter coat, which is excellent. That's a good sign that spring is here to stay. They seem to know better than me. But it's funny. This is the time of year I'm going to start having heart attacks because I think there's a dead animal on the ground and it's just a big chunk of coat that fell off. Anyway, animals are all doing good. I think Shep's got 2 more days left on her probation, then she goes off the drag and we'll see what happens there. That heifer is not happy all the way over there. I got some hay for her and the escape lamb, so hopefully that settles them down a little bit. But boy, everything is starting to green up. You can see where I fed hay out in the distance there. That's starting to look a little bit more promising. And then we're gonna hold them in this paddock for about a week. It's getting tough to hold them for a week, but it's necessary, I'd say. But look at this next field, what they get to go into. It just needs a little more time to come forward and express itself and get a good bit of momentum going. But then, boy, we have some good eating here. Yes, indeed. Yeah, we're full again. What a mess. Hey, leave it alone. Hey. I'm gonna go get more hay. Excuse me. Oh, what a mess. I know we need the rain, but this is fairly miserable work. Oh well. Nice job, Seven. Seven is my favorite lamb. Golly, she's beautiful. This is the hay for the miscreants in the corral. All right.